Hey, unlock your creative potential with RocketVideo's AI, an innovative AI-driven platform designed to transform your ideas into stunning cinematic videos in seconds. With all essential features at your fingertips, such as storyboard creation, character design, and an impressive audio library, you'll be able to craft professional-grade content effortlessly. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or business owner, RocketVideo's AI offers customizable tools and commercial licenses to suit your needs. Engage your audience with vibrant, AI-powered cartoons, or create captivating music videos and ads that convert. You can make use of features like the character continuity system and animation sequence generator to ensure every detail aligns perfectly with your vision. Plus, with advanced tools for shot angles and object manipulation, achieving that perfect look has never been easier. Experience seamless integration with social media and gain ultimate control over your storytelling, all while enjoying the flexibility to create up to 50 projects. Plus, with lucrative affiliate programs and contests offering significant commission opportunities, there has never been a better time to promote RocketVideo's AI.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you loved it. Don't forget, I have some amazing bonuses for you. Click the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos. See you then.